Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make bone broth in a crock pot. Start by roasting bones for deep flavor, then place bones in the crock pot with cold water, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, vegetables, and herbs. Cook on low for 12 to 24 hours, skimming foam once or twice, then strain, cool, and refrigerate or freeze portions for easy use. This approach yields rich gelatinous broth that supports soups, sauces, and hydration. Bone selection matters. Use beef, chicken, or fish bones for different flavors. Add aromatic vegetables like onion, carrot, and celery, plus 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar to draw minerals. Keep water level covering bones by about 2 inches and avoid boiling. A gentle simmer extracts gelatin and nutrients without cloudiness. Strain through a fine mesh, cool rapidly, then safely refrigerate or freeze in portions for quick meals and long-term use. Adjust cooking time by bone type. Chicken needs 8 to 12 hours, beef or pork benefit from 12 to 24 hours, and fish only a few hours. Maintain low heat and check water level every 6 to 8 hours, topping up with boiling water if needed. After cooling, remove fat if desired, label containers with date, and use refrigerated broth within 5 days or freeze for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.